Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening and warm welcome to all of you at the Leela Mumbai. We are really very happy and honored to host the launch of Sania's autobiography, published by HarperCollins.
Hi guys. Okay, Salman, let me start off by first asking you. You've known Sania since she was a very young girl, and you have seen her grow from a young girl to the strong woman that she is today. So tell us about the transformation that you have seen in her.
Good evening. I've known her since she was a very young girl, and I still think she's a very young girl. She still has a lot of growing up to do. And if you think this is strong, then you don't know what's coming ahead.
So, Sania runs a tennis academy herself where she nurtures talent from the country, and this is her way of giving back to the society. And you know, you do a similar venture with Being Human. So, talk to us a little about this.
I think it's incredible that she's doing this because, how do I put this? Why do you want to encourage competition in this country? Akeli chal rahi, akeli chalo.
Because I'm not going to be like how you are acting for the last so many years and be number one. I cannot be, that I know for sure. So
She's going to be here for us.
I'm not going to be. That's true. I mean, I just want to add here, like Salman said, I know him since I was 16, and I've seen the way he does give back, in so many different ways, whether it's Being Human, whether I've seen him how he is with people, and to me, I have learned that from him in a lot of different ways, and whether you know it or not, I have. And I know we were joking saying that we've never had this serious a conversation in the last 14 years between us. So
No, to give back, she has definitely learned from me.
yes, I have learned from him.
This is something else. And just look at the picture. मतलब कि ये any time यहाँ पर तो बहुत अच्छा कर ही रही हैं टेनिस के अंदर, लेकिन ये फिल्मों में भी घुसना चाहें, जो कि घुसना नहीं चाह रही हैं. If she wants to join movies as well, she'll have this position here. तो ये बताओ कि genius idea किसका था?
टेनिस के लाने का. आई थिंक मैं जब 4 साल की थी, हम लोग अमेरिका में थे, और तब मैं मेरे कजन्स खेलते थे उस टाइम पे, एंड आई यूज्ड टू एक्चुअली cry because I wanted to play tennis, but we couldn't afford it at the time. So when we came back, मैं 6 साल की थी when we came back, and the first thing that my mom did was say, "Okay, you're going to do everything. You're going to play tennis. You're going to swim," because we could finally afford it when we came back. And I happened to be a little bit more talented at tennis than the other things that I was doing, obviously. And that's basically how it all started. We came from a sporting family, so sport was always part of. Just like you, your dad also, your dad also wanted some cricketers in his family.
Me to play cricket.
That didn't happen.
No, that could have happened. That could have happened really easily, but I just didn't see myself, going for cricket practice at 5:30 in the morning. So I decided.
Honest.
No, and then this life as it is difficult for me. I think cricket would have been like very difficult for me. So Mr. Salim Durrani was hired to be my coach. So first day he saw me play, I played really well. Second day he saw me play, played really well. So he called my father the third day, says, your son is a lefty, right arm bowler. He's got a very bright future. That is the day I realized that my father came to see me play. I should play really badly, because ऐसा लग रहा था कि before स्कूल भी पहुंचना used to be a big problem. You know, कि 9 बजे I have to go and attend my first lecture. So I used to wake up at about 8:30 and then I used to barely manage to reach school on time. अब स्कूल से पहले ये that means 5:30 बजे उठो, you know, cricket practice. I didn't think so. I did a little bit of it and then I actually wanted to be a director. I was pushed into acting. I said, चलो अब ये चल रहा है तो ये चलने दो उसको.
All right. So there are two things that are very, that have made you given a icon and stuff to you guys, which includes your bracelet and Sanya's nose ring. And people idealize that, and people remember you as with a bracelet and a nose ring. So tell us, do you like this? Do you like the idea of being?
I think there's more to it than a nose ring and my
I hope
bracelet.
so. I really hope the bracelet and the nose ring are not the only things that
अब डराओ मत हमको आप.
नहीं
हाँ?
So
कोई
basically,
nose ring
I'm
निकल
asking-
जाएगा तो.
No, so my question is, do you like the idea of being idealized like this by lots of young people and everybody around?
Lots of people wear bracelets and lots of people wear nose rings. So I don't think it's about the bracelet or the nose ring. It's about, we will not say us, it's what people think, what they see in us. It's about that. So this is just one thing. कि हम, my father used to wear this bracelet, so I copied one. Nose ring का मुझे
I
पता
copied
नहीं.
from my mom.
From your mom?
Yeah.
हाँ.
I think everyone, when I was growing up, everyone in the Western media actually thought that I was the biggest rebel. Like they thought, क्या rebellious लड़की है, she wears a nose ring, and I used to tell them that
अच्छा,
this
उनको कोई
is.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, यहाँ पे पहन लेंगे,
हाँ, exactly.
ज़बान में डाल देंगे, उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. This is rebellious.
And I used to tell them, but my mom also has a nose ring. It's really not that rebellious, so they couldn't understand that concept. कि हमारे पास the tradition is to have a nose ring, and that's why I got it as well.
Acha, Salman, tell us, do you ever get the time and do you take out time to watch Sanya's matches?
Ooh, सच बोलना है.
I watch every game of
सच
hers.
बोलना है.
Up such.
Every game of hers. In fact, I watch it like sometimes even watch the repeats. Okay, and I actually think she's playing them live. So she's got this problem also with me कि पूरी दुनिया ने मुझे congratulate कर लिया. Yeah. I said,
I
now,
always-
bitch. I said, now what have you done? Now how much more you want to win?
I always tell him, I'll say.
So I'm the last one to wish
Yeah,
him.
he's always the last one to wish me, and he's one of the closest people to me. And I always tell him I don't bother because I know him. Like he doesn't even know where I am. Like he'll say, "Acha, ab next when are you gonna come back?" And I'll say, "I'll come back to US Open," and he has no idea what that means. He does not know. He does not know that could be next February, and he does not know. So
It's not that I don't care. It's just
It's
that,
that you
I
don't
don't
know.
know.
Alright. So in Sanya's case, our whole family has been, closely involved in shaping her career, and I know that you are very close to your family, and both of you are very close to your families. So I just want to know how important Salman you think is having family support and stuff to be as famous and as successful as both of you are today.
I think it's like the most important thing. Most important thing is if you have a family that's supporting you, it's sone pe suhaga. There are some families that the parents don't support their children, but then those kids have it in them, to prove the parents wrong. Like first there used to be some kids used to want to be actors, and parents used to say कि पढ़ लिख ले, यहाँ पे कुछ होने जाने वाला है नहीं. Then they become actors and they're successful. First, the film industry was considered taboo, and a lot of youngsters who've left their homes and come and they've made it in the film industry. But I think it's just the worry of the parents के मेरे बच्चे का एंड में जाके होगा क्या. जैसे क्रिकेट के ऊपर क्या दिन भर ये क्रिकेट खेलते रहता है और वो बन गया सचिन तेंदुलकर. बोला कि फास्ट गाड़ी चलाता है, क्या कर रहा है, वो बन गया शूमाकर बन गया. So those sports today have your hobbies, those sports have become professions today. And if you know, dedicated, and there's no better profession than your hobby. If you can change your hobby into your profession, there's nothing better than that.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, I don't think I could have done anything without my parents even host this press conference. So I mean, I've done everything with them, and they've been with me throughout ups and downs. And I know how close you are to your family as well. I have the privilege of knowing them also very well, and yeah, I think the way that they have supported you and all your siblings, and the way my family has worked, that's a kind of common ground that we find maybe in our
Yes, 100%. I totally agree with this. And I know that she's really close to her family, like the way we are with our family. So most of my personality is bits and pieces of my brothers, my sisters, my father, my mother, you know, what all I've heard, some friends of mine. It's just that you get to see that, you know, whatever happens in the house, whatever jokes are there, I can use the platform of, you know, this platform or movies or TV, and you will see that's Salman Khan. But that Salman Khan is incomplete without a Sohail Khan, Arbaz Khan, Arpita Khan, Alvira Khan, Salim Khan, Salma Khan. There is no personality to Salman Khan if these people were not there in his life.
Alright, Sanya, everyone's been complaining that you haven't read out anything from your book yet, so could you take a minute to read out a couple of paras for us?
लिखती हो तो पढ़ना भी आना चाहिए.
Okay, I have. I'll read out one small paragraph. It's from the prologue, actually. Everything I have achieved. I'm getting nervous. I have achieved on the tennis courts in the last decade is only half the story. In this book, I hope to recreate the other half as well. The stories of years of struggle, of the methodical planning and single-minded dedication of Team Sanya, which we were just talking about, my parents, my family and everybody, the countless sacrifices, especially those made by my family, the pain and the heartache, the shedding of sweat and blood, interspersed with priceless moments of exaltation and glory. All this and more went into the making of a multiple Grand Slam champion and the #1 player in the world. For the rest, you have to buy the book and read it.
Before we let you go, Salman, there's one question a lot of us want to ask you, including me. When are we expecting your autobiography?
There's another
I
question
think I'll
after
take my story to my grave.
No. Don't do that.
नहीं तो बहुत सारी graves खुद जाएंगे.
He cannot control himself. He tries, but he cannot do it. He has to say something. Also, we all want to ask you when you're getting married. Yeah. This is the most important question.
18th November.
18th November.
18th November. ये 18th November ये कुछ 20-25 नवंबर से चल रहा है. 18 नवंबर होगा, लेकिन पता नहीं कौन से साल में होगा, लेकिन होगा.
It's okay. I think not many women are complaining that you're not married. I think I think that's fine.
No, I know a few.
Cannot help himself. He can't do it.
आपको नहीं पता कि मेरे पे कितना प्रेशर आता है. By the way, I know a few women. That is my mother and my sisters, the three.
Who wanted to get married? Yeah, that's what you meant, na? Yeah. Just making it clear.
देते रहता हूँ उनको कभी.
I think our MC is having a little discussion. Look at it.
Sorry. Did I miss something? Did you share your date?
No, you didn't miss anything.
It's with your date.
ठीक है. Okay,
She's
Salman.
also getting married on the 18th of November. That is the wedding anniversary of my parents, and Sajid and Varda and Ayush and Arpita. So that
And
is one
future
date
yours.
that-
And future yours.
Future mine, future mine. अगर वो डेट कैलेंडर में हो तो पता चलो वो 18 नवंबर को निकाल ही दोगे, 76 से डायरेक्टली जाओगे 19th पे.
Alright, Salman will be taking a leave, but once he is gone, the floor will open for questions for Sanya.
शुक्रिया, thank you, God bless.
The family can come up for some pictures.
I need some books for pictures on the table.
Alright, thank you guys, thank you.